This tool creates the longitudinal profile of a point cloud data from Excel. That is, it creates a longitudinal profile by consecutively joining the points that it reads from the Excel sheet. You can also draw the points in 3 dimensions by joining them using a polyline. To read the Excel sheet, there are 2 methods. The first one is to select an Excel workbook saved on your PC. Then, you must select the Excel sheet where the data is stored. Finally, select the 3 columns that have the X, Y, and Z coordinates of the points. In the Profiles tab, there is a button to pick the point where the longitudinal profile will be drawn. You can choose which fields will be shown in the profile data table. You can also enter the distance between the rows of the data table. If you want to draw the profile by intervals, you must enter the distance between the intervals. Equidistant points will be taken on the original profile, and the data of these points will be shown in the table. If you want to draw the 3D profile, the software will draw in 3 dimensions the polyline that consecutively joins the points from Excel. Profiles can be drawn with scales, once you set the scales for the x-axis and the y-axis. The other method to import the points is to open an Excel workbook, activate the sheet where the points are stored and read the active sheet. This method have several options, such as reading only the points that you select in the Excel sheet. There are 2 methods of importing data, the strict method and the relaxed method. In the strict method, if one of the 3 coordinates of the point cannot be read, that point will be discarded. In the relaxed method, if one of the 3 coordinates of the point cannot be read, this coordinate will be set as 0 value.